party people, it's Amy and Evelyn, and we're here to do a toy review.
Yeah.
I know it's not exactly like my kind of content, but
I love this toy.
that's good to hear. It's not exactly my kind of content, but I've noticed that it gets a lot of views, and you know, one of my side goals is to be, you know, the most popular of all the YouTubers. So I'm starting behind. I got to pull out all the tricks. So this is why toy review, right? People love that stuff. So, okay, can you be quiet? We're doing a toy review. Okay. Anyway, so we got a bunch of toys. We're gonna check them out, see if they're any good. Let's see. First, we've got a pink bear with big eyes. His name might be Frankie.
Yeah, it's Frankie. It's called a Beanie Boo.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, I guess it's fine. It's got fur that's like really different colors.
Yeah, it's because it's Kiwi's sister, and Kiwi is my mom's toy. And she's sparkly right here.
Alright, well you touched it, so that's over. Kind of only a toy anyway. Just sits there, stares at you creepily. I don't like it.
There's this fake video that the eyes are big so they can watch you, but it's actually fake. They're just their eyes.
Like the government?
Yeah.
I don't like that. I'm gonna.
But
I'm throwing anything that looks like that away. Okay, next we've got this weird little pink dog.
Yeah, look. It can turn on and walk around.
Nobody cares.
I named her Rose because she's pink.
Okay, put it away. Alright, I got this toy. Rubik's Cube. Classic. Okay,
Yeah.
Don't touch them or we have to put them away. Okay, so
Puppy. Can I play with this?
can you do it quietly? I'm trying to review toys.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, Rubik's Cube. Classic toy.
I love you too, little puppy.
Hey, if you want to review toys, get your own channel and review them there. This is my channel. I'm the adult. I know what toys are good. That's a sucker-ass toy. Anyway, Rubik's Cube. It's cool. It's fun. It gets a little frustrating because
I love you. Oh, don't fall off the table. Good girl. You didn't fall off the table. Yeah.
alright, apparently not a good enough toy. What else do we got over here? We've got,
Oh, I named her Charlotte.
you named this Charlotte?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Well, if you take the pacifier out.
Holy God! It's looking at me.
Yeah, it's and you can if you want it to go to sleep, you touch this little
The
crack.
soft spot in its head.
It falls asleep. But don't forget to put in the pacifier. You have to put it in this way.
Okay. Alright, let me
She
see.
goes to bed.
This toy is the stuff of nightmares.
It's adorable!
It's like, I don't know if you guys remember Teddy Ruxpin. It's like if you had to take personal responsibility for Teddy Ruxpin instead of that old man and that weird alien dude. It's growling in its sleep.
Yeah.
It's snoring.
Uh-huh.
And it's possibly one of the creepiest toys I've ever seen.
But this puppy is...
Okay, you know what? I'm taking the puppy away. I told you, sit quietly and watch me review toys, right?
Yeah.
So sick of this. All right, we got a few more to go through. What is wrong with that bear?
Yeah. I'll put her to sleep for you.
Put her to sleep forever. All right. Oh, we got this toy.
I named it Mommy because it looks like my mommy in a doll version.
I've met her mom. This looks nothing like her mom.
Yeah, because she has green eyes and she dyed her hair red, but she doesn't dye her hair red anymore.
She also doesn't wear this much blush. This is ridiculous. Have you seen your mom?
Yeah.
Does she wear this much blush?
No.
All right. Now we go.
Tracy, my Triceratops.
Holy God! Is it real? Do
No,
not put it near me.
It's a robot. It's a toy. I named her Tracy, and I worked really, really hard for her. I got her on my birthday.
You worked hard by getting her on your birthday?
Yeah.
So are you saying that by living a year, you earned her? This toy gets a 0 out of 100.
I love you, Tracy. You can take care of me. Let's do the next one.
Okay, but if it does something weird, I'm leaving.
You have to dig it in its butt to turn it on. See? You have to dig in its butt to turn it on.
Well,
It's like Tracy. It's just a little
okay.
tighter.
I mean, we started out having a lot in common, and now we have nothing in common. So apparently, toys are just robots now?
And then there's the Rubik's Cube. Ooh, somebody almost finished the other.
That was me.
How intriguing.
Well, I will say the Rubik's Cube doesn't get in your face and make weird noises and keep snoring after you put it away. Alright, you know what? Toy reviews are dumb. Toys are dumb. You're dumb. I hate all of this. Have a good day.